Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a product onto your main page in your Shopify website. So let's go on to our Shopify store. Once you're on your admin dashboard, just go onto here, online store. Once you're here, let's press customize. And this is your main page, right? There is already a featured products here, but if you want to add a new one, the way you could do that is by pressing on this add section. And add section here, there's a couple you can choose from. You can either add in a featured collection, so a couple products, or a featured product, so only one product. There's also a collection list, and there's a lot of other things here as well. But we want to add a product onto our main page, so let's just click this featured product. And now we have a featured product here. We can select the product. I'm going to select this t-shirt, select. And now we have a featured product right on our website here.